Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The insurance company originally held her 100% at fault because of the video. Here he comes. You can see him turn into her. Because of this video, that was reduced to 60%. It should have been less than that because you can see him physically turn into her. The cop on the scene gave her 2 tickets because I couldn't get these videos off of the camera at the time. I sent them in to him and he went to court and had those tickets dismissed. If those tickets didn't get dismissed, that would have been 4 points on her license. So this video saved her 4 points and 100% at fault. Him hitting her on the side quarter panel like that didn't spin her out.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? You got into my lane, you dumb.
On the other lane, 2 lanes, make a left.
I got a camera. I got a camera. I got a camera.
Show me your camera. Pull over and show me the camera.
I got you.
Damn it!
What the was that shit? Breathe that. Time gets bent around heavy. Christ on a cracker. What the shit?
I mean, there goes the question of like, when is your time? And why is some people's time so much sooner than others?
You don't think you can mess with when your time is?
I don't know.
I think you can definitely speed up your time.
What the f are you doing, my guy? Jesus.
I know.
Because if your time is set and you can't influence that regardless.
Do it, dude. Some type of way, make you wait.
Do something bad, then. Do something bad. Do something bad. Go right on the head. Right on the head. Dash camera.
Bro, what the fuck?
them flags, that truck would have hit us.
Uh-oh, really?
Yeah, do you see how fast it was going?
Stupid truck. What are they doing? They almost hit us too. So what's the matter?
Holy shit.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.